I've been collecting old Christmas balls for years. They've been sitting in my attic and I always say, oh, I'm going to do something with them. Right now, I am going to make glass glitter out of them. I'm going to show you how to do it. It'll be a simple video and we'll get through this and we'll be able to use these for Valentine's cards. The first thing I'm going to do is take the little caps off the balls. I'll put it inside the bag. I'm using a piping bag. It's a little bit heavier plastic. Be sure to roll that over to get the air out. But we want to take this cap and break that off. That's too heavy. I obviously had trouble breaking balls. So the best thing to do is tap it at an angle instead of on the square on the top. And then we're going to go ahead and pull that little piece that holds the cap, because that's a little bit thicker and we don't need that. We want it all to be even. And I'm going to replace this and put them all together, wrap it in a towel, and then we're going to go ahead and break it down to glitter. But make sure you have it at least covered, at least one roll over. And let's just break it down until it looks like glitter. You roll the glitter to be the size you want. It really depends on the person. And I like mine pretty fine. And I left the blue color on the balls. You could take nail polish remover and take all the color off and just have silver. So you make do with your tools that you have. I have a fruit baller and a deep little bowl because I want to grind this down more. I don't want any shards to show. So I'm going to grind this down to be a little bit more dusty and more glitter looking. We finished 18 balls and it took us about an hour. There were two of us pounding out these balls, rolling it, pounding it, and grinding it. And we are very pleased with the results.